be sharing 5 phrases you can use when traveling in Japan. First is Kudasai. Kudasai. It means I will have. So things to keep in your mind about Japanese language is that it uses totally different grammar compared to English. So for example, when you want to say I'll have some coffee in English, coffee comes last. But when it becomes Japanese, we say coffee kudasai. So become coffee I'll have. When you remember that, it becomes so much easier to speak in Japanese. So let's try again. The first phrase is kudasai. Kudasai. It means I'll have. The second phrase you can use when you're traveling in Japan is Onegaishimasu. Onegaishimasu. So it means that you're making some request. For example, when you want other people to take a picture of you, you can say picture onegaishimasu. So that's the second phrase, onegaishimasu. It means you're making a request. Third phrase you can use is Sumimasen. It means excuse me. So whether you bump into somebody accidentally, you can say Sumimasen, excuse me. You can also say that when you're trying to talk to somebody. For example, Sumimasen, picture onegaishimasu. You can also use it at the restaurant. Sumimasen, it means excuse me. You can say this, kudasai. So that's the third phrase, sumimasen. The fourth phrase you can use when traveling in Japan is arigato. It's a fairly commonly known term. It means thank you. So whenever somebody takes a picture of you or whenever you have a great meal, you can simply say arigato. 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 So that's the fourth phrase. Thank you. The fifth phrase you can use when traveling in Japan is Doko desu ka? Doko desu ka? Doko desu ka? It means that you're asking where something is at. So remember the first tip I shared where Japanese language uses different grammar than English one? So when you want to ask about how to get to some place, you want to say the name of the place first and say Doko desu ka? So let's say bathroom, Doko desu ka? This restaurant, Doko desu ka? Something station, for example, Tokyo Station, Doko desu ka? So that's the fifth phrase, Doko desu ka? Now, generally speaking, Japanese people understand a little bit of English, especially when you talk very slowly and only uses words. So whenever you need to ask open-ended questions or closed questions even, that is where, when, why, how, and what, you can simply say where something or when something, how much something. As long as you speak clearly and slowly, people would understand and people will be so happy to help you out. I hope you have a great trip to Japan, and if you have any questions at all, please feel free to reach out to me in any way possible. Thank you!